Hey. Well, he don't ever spit anything out.
Well, you're not accepting it for long enough.
When they're trying to feed their babies.
Yeah, I do. They regurgitate and spit it up in their baby's
Ah! Quit it! Quit it! Yeah, you better stop.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. You would have done it if your mouth was open.
Yeah, one of these days I'll stick my tongue out and it'll... Ooh.
That's why my husband James and I created Total Transformation, the program that tens of thousands of moms.
Is he hanging? Is he hanging?
Yeah, he's hanging.
What are we gonna do with you, Granny?
It's not me, it's...
Blame the bird.
You
Put
see
your,
why
put
I
your
say
head down
this?
there and let him get your glasses again. Tilt your head. There you go. Now pull up.
My own son and with troubled kids for over
A
30
little higher there.
Is he hurt? Yeah, he hadn't done that before. Now you hadn't been doing that. Do you think you're showing off?
He's hanging on for the cameraman.
He has never hung on that way.
Tilt your head down again. Now pull.
Get a picture of that.
Oh, it's
he's
video.
Recording.
You're recording?
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness.
Last couple of minutes.
My laugh when he picks on your cheek.
Hey, look here,
I
Granny.
don't believe he's doing that.
Granny, look here.
Romeo,
Romeo, wherefore art
Oh.
thou, Romeo?
he has learned a new trick. Don't peck my eyes. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off.